Hello and welcome to the Wayne County Probate Court. This video will guide you in filling out Form PC 571, the acceptance of appointment. Before we get started, this video is not legal advice. It's for informational purposes only. You need to seek legal counsel or read the statutes and court rules to answer questions specific to your situation. So here is the form, which you can pull from the Wayne County Probate Court's website at www.wcpc.us, and it's under How to Start a Wayne County Probate Case. This relates to a decedent estate, but the form also applies to guardianships and other fiduciaries. And then you'll see here is the form. Once you pull that up, you can begin to fill it out right on your computer. So let's run through it. You'll see at the very top that there is an acceptance of, and then you need to check the appropriate box, either appointment or designation. Now, most likely, you're going to be filling out the acceptance of appointment, but in certain limited circumstances, you might need to check acceptance of designation. If you pull the Wayne County Probate Court's form, the court address and telephone number will automatically be in there. Then you'll put in the matter of. This is the first, middle, and last name of the decedent or the ward. Then number 1. If this applies, you will check the box, I have been appointed, and you'll see here it says type of fiduciary. So you'll type in either personal representative or guardian or other fiduciary of the person or estate. Then, if box 2 applies, you will check that box, which says, I have been designated standby guardian of the legally incapacitated individual. In most cases, this will not apply, but if you have been ordered the standby guardian, instead of checking box 1, you will check box 2. Moving to number 3. I accept the appointment or designation, submit to personal jurisdiction of the court, and agree to file reports and to perform all required duties. Number 4. This also most likely won't apply, and the rest of this area of the form applies to it. And it says, for a period of, and you'll type in the amount of days, not to exceed 91 days, from the date of my appointment, I exclude from the scope of my responsibility the following real estate or ownership interest in a business entity. And then you will describe the real estate with the address, legal description, or the business interest. And then you'll state, because I reasonably believe the real estate or other property owned by the business entity is or may be contaminated by a hazardous substance, or is or has been used in an activity directly or indirectly involving a hazardous substance that could result in liability to the estate or otherwise impair the value of property held by the estate. So again, if this applies, check box 4. It is a very limited circumstance, and most likely you will not be checking this box. Then, number 4, if possible, I prefer to receive notices from the court by email. You can type in your email address. Then you will date and sign along with your typed name, address, city, state, and zip, and telephone number. If there's an attorney, they will sign their information here. So that is how you fill out Form PC 571. We put this together at the Wayne County Probate Court because we care. Have a great day.